Hello YouTubers and people out there. This is Mr. Tech, and today I have the IBM Typewriter here. And it is from 1971, I believe. It is really cool, and it just does not feel like a modern typing, and it just feels really nice in the hand with those little creases here. And it does work, as you probably hear humming. I fixed it a couple weeks ago, and it was really easy to fix. It's just that there was a bunch of junk stuck in the wheel thingy or whatever it is, and it's in really good condition. The only problem is the foam on the inside. It's deteriorating, and it's getting everywhere. But it does work. The only thing that I need to do though is get a new ribbon. There's no ribbon for it, so I'm gonna try finding one, and maybe one day I'll have it. But I'm gonna open it up for a sec. Wait just a little bit. Here. So here's the junk that's deteriorating. I'll turn on the flash so you can see it. It's really gross. And it's coming apart. See this thing that's spinning here? That wasn't spinning before, and that's the only reason why it wasn't typing. And you see where the ribbon is supposed to be. There's none. And also I'm going to come up with a much cooler intro. YouTuber intro, one day. I'm going to start doing that to introduce my PowerPoint operating systems, but I don't have my computer set up yet, and in the future that'll be a fake lie. But, I would need to do that to, create my PowerPoint operating systems, and so it might take a while before I introduce the first version of Bistro. So let's show you the typing experience. So when you type on it, it's really nice, and it's really cool to feel when you press backspace that it shakes the whole table. Super nice. It works perfectly. See, it works just the way any IBM typewriter from the 70s should work. I can tell it is from the 70s, and it's really nice. I really just like the experience of typing on it, and I just wish that I have a ribbon or something for it so I can do the typing. This typewriter was actually made in Annapolis, Maryland, out of all places, and Annapolis Typewriter Company. So it's just a really nice typewriter. It's really remarkable that this still works. I will be showing you a couple more of my typewriters soon, so look forward to that. And I'm also going to show you this working and do a demo of the paper, and maybe even see if I can make a picture with it. Like make a picture with periods and dots and letters and stuff, because that would be pretty cool. Because I know how people, sometimes do that. And I would really like to demonstrate that and see if I am good enough to do that. I really hope I can. I was thinking for the eyes, I could do a capital O and then and then period for the, yeah. So, yeah, I'll show you, what comes out. I doubt it'll be much of anything, but it would just be cool to see what I can do. So, that's it. And thanks for watching. And please subscribe and comment below. And also, my PowerPoint operating systems will be out soon. So, no need to be mad at me for saying that I'm going to have a PowerPoint OS and nothing will, So, thanks for watching, and see you on my next video.